creators, protectors, destroyers. This is Vaaksh, where the gods speak.
I am Vishnu, the preserver, the protector, the one who upholds Dharma. And in my hand, I hold the eternal force that none can escape, the Sudarshana Chakra. A weapon that does not miss, does not waver, and does not forgive. It is the wheel of time, the force of cosmic law, the very essence of divine justice. You have heard of its might, seen its fury, but do you truly know its secrets? Do you know where it came from? Why it exists? Why even the greatest of gods and demons bow before its power? Listen carefully, for I shall tell you. Before the beginning, before the stars burned, before the first breath of creation, there was the eternal energy, an infinite source of cosmic power. This energy was neither good nor evil, neither light nor darkness. It was balance. And from this balance, the gods in the universe itself were born. But even in the dawn of existence, chaos rose. The forces of Adharma, beings who sought to break the harmony of creation, emerged from the shadows, bringing suffering, destruction, and despair. And so to restore the balance, a weapon was needed. A force that could cut through illusion, through arrogance, through the very fabric of existence itself. And so, the Sudarshana Chakra was forged, not in fire, nor by mortal hands, but by the divine essence of the cosmos itself. It was given form by the great architect, Vishwakarma, but its power was far beyond the craft of any god. It was shaped from the sun's core, spinning with the energy of 1,000 universes. It was tempered in the breath of Mahadeva, infused with the wisdom of Brahma, and blessed by the eternal mother, Adi Shakti. It was not just a weapon, it was Dharma itself, given shape, given purpose. And that purpose? To destroy darkness, to annihilate evil, to cut through the very bonds of time when fate demands justice. But do not mistake it for mere steel, for it is no ordinary weapon. It is a living force. It chooses its master, it obeys none but Dharma itself. Even I do not command it. I wield it only as a servant of cosmic balance. And when it is unleashed, there is no escape. No shield can stop it. No magic can deflect it. No force in the three worlds can challenge its will. Many have tested its fury, and many have fallen. When the demon Hayagriva sought to swallow the Vedas, the very knowledge of creation, I called upon the chakra, and with a single motion, it struck him down, restoring wisdom to the world. When Hiranyaksha plunged the earth into the cosmic ocean, I descended as Varaha, the great boar, and though my tusks lifted the world, it was the chakra that ensured the demon's end. When Shishupala's arrogance defied all limits, when he insulted Dharma beyond measure, I gave him 100 chances to repent, 100 chances to turn back. But when the final word of blasphemy left his lips, the Sudarshana Chakra left my hand, and in the blink of an eye, his head fell to the earth. There was no sound, no cry, no warning, only silence. The silence of truth, the silence of justice. It does not strike in anger. It does not move in vengeance. It moves when balance demands it. And once set in motion, not even the gods can call it back. But do you know its greatest secret? The one truth that even the wisest sages struggle to comprehend. The Sudarshana Chakra is not merely a weapon, it is a cycle. A wheel that turns, again and again, through time and destiny. It represents the endless flow of karma, the rise and fall of ages, the destruction and rebirth of worlds. It is the wheel of time itself. And just as time never stops, just as karma never forgets, so too does the chakra never fail. There are those who believe they can outrun their fate, that their power, their cunning, their arrogance will shield them. But the chakra does not seek bodies, it seeks the truth within. And when it finds falsehood, when it finds darkness, it does not hesitate. That is why those who uphold Dharma do not fear it. That is why the wise do not challenge it. And that is why I, Vishnu, wield it, not as a lord, not as a master, but as a servant of the eternal law. For the Sudarshana Chakra is not mine. It belongs to the cosmos itself. And when the time comes, when the age of darkness rises again, when Adharma spreads its shadow across creation, I will raise my hand once more, and the wheel shall spin again. And when it does, there will be no escape.